A butler pantry is a unique and practical addition to any home, offering a functional space between the kitchen and dining area. Historically, it was used by butlers to store and serve food and drinks during formal events, but modern designs have transformed this space into a multifunctional room for meal prep, storage, and even entertaining. Whether you're hosting a large gathering or simply want a more organized way to store your kitchen essentials, a butler pantry can elevate your home's efficiency and aesthetic appeal. It allows you to keep clutter out of the main kitchen while creating a seamless flow between food preparation and serving. Today's butler pantries are designed to meet a variety of needs, from additional storage and workspace to housing appliances like wine coolers, coffee machines, and dishwashers. They can also be a beautiful design feature, with custom cabinetry, unique lighting, and high-end finishes that make them more than just a functional space. Whether you have a large home with plenty of space or a smaller area to work with, a butler pantry can be tailored to suit your lifestyle and needs. In this script, we'll explore 4 key ideas for designing a butler pantry that maximizes space and functionality, all while maintaining a stylish, cohesive look. One of the primary functions of a butler pantry is to provide extra storage, which can alleviate pressure on your kitchen cabinets and countertops. When designing your butler pantry, consider how you can maximize storage to make the most of the space available. Floor-to-ceiling cabinetry is one of the most effective ways to increase storage in a butler pantry. These cabinets can be customized to fit your specific needs, whether you're looking to store small appliances, serving dishes, or pantry staples. Opt for deep drawers and adjustable shelving to accommodate items of varying sizes, such as tall pitchers, large mixing bowls, or even a slow cooker. Pull-out pantry drawers can make it easier to access items stored at the back of shelves, reducing the need to rummage around for what you need. In addition to cabinetry, incorporating hanging storage for items like glassware or utensils can free up shelf and counter space. A wine rack or built-in wine cooler is another great storage solution for homeowners who enjoy entertaining. If you have a coffee or tea station in your butler pantry, consider adding specialized drawers for cups, saucers, and spoons, keeping everything neatly organized and easy to reach. Lighting plays an important role in creating a functional butler pantry, particularly if the space is small or lacks natural light. Under-cabinet lighting and recessed ceiling lights can brighten up dark corners, making it easier to see and access everything in the pantry. By combining smart storage solutions with thoughtful design elements, you can create a butler pantry that not only holds all your kitchen essentials but also enhances the overall flow and functionality of your home. If these butler pantry design ideas sparked some inspiration for your home, give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone looking to elevate their kitchen space. While functionality is key in a butler pantry, there's no reason it can't also be a stylish and visually appealing space. Design details like cabinetry finishes, countertops, lighting, and hardware can elevate your butler pantry into a show-stopping feature of your home. Choosing the right cabinetry style can set the tone for the entire pantry. For a more traditional look, consider shaker-style cabinets in a classic white or natural wood finish. If you prefer something more modern, sleek flat-panel cabinets in bold colors, such as navy or charcoal, can make a dramatic statement. Glass front cabinets are another popular choice, allowing you to display beautiful dishware or glassware while keeping everything within easy reach. When it comes to countertops, materials like quartz, marble, or butcher block can add both beauty and durability to the space. Quartz countertops are particularly popular for their low-maintenance, scratch-resistant surface, making them ideal for a high-traffic area like a butler pantry. Marble, while elegant, may require more care, but it can add a timeless and luxurious feel to the room. Lighting is another crucial element in creating a stylish butler pantry. Pendant lights or chandeliers can add a touch of sophistication, while under-cabinet lighting can highlight your countertops and make the space more functional. Consider installing dimmable lights so you can adjust the ambience depending on whether you're using the pantry for food prep or serving guests. Don't forget about the small details, like cabinet hardware and backsplash materials. Matte black or brushed gold handles and knobs can add a modern touch, while a patterned or textured backsplash can serve as a focal point, bringing visual interest to the space. By incorporating these design elements, you can create a butler pantry that is both practical and beautiful. What's your favorite feature in a butler pantry? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're planning to design your perfect pantry space. A well-designed butler pantry can also serve as a secondary kitchen, housing appliances that you don't want cluttering your main kitchen space. Incorporating appliances into the pantry is a great way to enhance its functionality, allowing you to use the room for food prep, dishwashing, or even making coffee. One popular appliance to include in a butler pantry is a wine fridge or cooler. If you frequently entertain guests or enjoy a glass of wine with dinner, having a designated space to store your wine collection can be a convenient and luxurious addition. Built-in wine coolers come in various sizes and can be seamlessly integrated into your cabinetry for a sleek, cohesive look. Another appliance that works well in a butler pantry is a second dishwasher. Having an extra dishwasher in the pantry can be especially useful when hosting large gatherings, as it allows you to clean dishes and glassware without cluttering your main kitchen. Similarly, a small prep sink can make washing hands or rinsing vegetables quick and convenient without having to leave the pantry. For coffee lovers, adding a built-in coffee maker or espresso machine can transform your butler pantry into a full-service coffee bar. Pair it with a small fridge for storing milk and cream, along with cabinets or drawers for mugs, sugar, and stirrers. This setup allows you to create the perfect morning routine or entertain guests with ease. Other appliances you might consider for your butler pantry include a microwave, toaster oven, or even a warming drawer to keep food hot before serving. The key is to select appliances that complement your lifestyle and entertaining needs while ensuring they fit seamlessly into the overall design of the space. For more home design tips and ideas to create stylish and functional spaces, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. If you have limited space in your home, you might think a butler pantry is out of reach. However, with some clever design solutions, even a small space can be transformed into a functional and stylish butler pantry. One of the best ways to create a butler pantry in a small space is to repurpose an existing closet or unused corner. By adding cabinetry, shelving, and a countertop, you can turn even a narrow space into a useful storage area. Opt for open shelving rather than closed cabinets to make the space feel larger and airier, while still providing ample storage for dishes, glasses, and pantry items. Another option for a small butler pantry is to install a sliding or pocket door. This allows you to close off the pantry when it's not in use, keeping the area tidy and out of sight without taking up additional space. If possible, try to position your small butler pantry near the kitchen or dining room to maintain easy access during meal prep or serving. When working with a small space, vertical storage becomes crucial. Install tall cabinets that reach up to the ceiling to make the most of your available storage. Use the upper cabinets for less frequently used items, and keep everyday essentials within easy reach on lower shelves. You can also add hooks or racks to the inside of cabinet doors for storing smaller items like utensils or cutting boards. Mirrors can be another clever design trick in a small butler pantry. They reflect light and give the illusion of more space, making the pantry feel larger and brighter. Additionally, using light colors for cabinetry, countertops, and walls can help open up the space and prevent it from feeling cramped. Check out our home design playlist for more inspiration, from kitchens to pantries, and other storage solutions that combine function with style. A butler pantry is not just an afterthought or a secondary space, it's an opportunity to blend function and design in a way that enhances your daily life and the overall flow of your home. Loved the design elements featured in today's butler pantry? Check the description below for links to the products used, so you can start creating a beautifully organized pantry at home. You might opt for a modern, minimalist design with sleek lines and neutral tones, or you could create a more traditional space with rich wood tones and intricate details. No matter your preference, the right combination of materials and finishes can elevate your butler pantry from purely functional to truly elegant. As the trend towards open-concept living continues, a butler pantry also serves as a hidden gem, allowing you to keep the mess of cooking and prepping tucked away, out of sight from guests. It's a place where functionality meets design, offering both aesthetic appeal and everyday usability. Whether it's a compact space or a grand, elaborate setup, a butler pantry can make entertaining and daily tasks more enjoyable, allowing your home to function as smoothly and beautifully as possible.